Welcome to Gyan Setu, the knowledge bridge. Class 7, Chapter 1, Exercise 1.1. Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss Exercise 1.1 of Class 7 NCERT. There is a number line in first question. On the number line, different places temperature is given in degree Celsius. A is, we have to observe the number line and write the temperature of different places. First is Lahore Spiti, -5, 6, 7, 8, -8. Srinagar, -2. Shimla, 5. Ooty, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And Bengaluru, 22. B, we have to difference between hottest and coldest places. Hottest is 22 degrees Celsius and coldest is -8. Then 22 minus -8 minus plus 22 plus 8, 30 degree Celsius. C part, difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar. The temperature of Lahore Spiti is -8 and Srinagar is -2. -2 minus -8. Minus plus and minus plus minus. Then 8 minus 2, 6. Sign will be of positive. D, we have to take the temperature together of Srinagar and Shimla and check it is less than the temperature at Shimla. Then temperature together of Srinagar and Shimla. Srinagar is -2 and Shimla is +5. Plus minus 5 minus 2, 3 degrees Celsius and 5 degrees greater. Then Shimla's temperature is greater. Question number 2, part B, is the also less than the temperature at Srinagar. So Srinagar is 3 degrees Celsius. Shimla is 3 degrees Celsius and Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. And positive is greater than negative. So no, it is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. Question number 2, there is a quiz. For correct answer, positive marks, and for incorrect answer, negative marks. Jack's score in 5 rounds: 25 minus 5 minus 10, 15 and 10. What is his total? Then we have to add total marks at the end. 25 plus -5 plus -10 plus 15 and plus 10, plus minus minus plus minus minus. 25 and 15 and 10. 25 plus 10, 35. 35 plus 15, 50. 50 and 5 and 10 प्लस कर देंगे तो कितना आएगा? 15. 50 minus 15, 35 marks. His total marks is 35. Question number 3. On Monday, Srinagar temperature was -5 degrees Celsius and Tuesday it is dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. So what is the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? So Tuesday temperature equals to Monday -2 degree because it drops. Drops means नीचे गिरना. Then minus 5 minus 2, minus minus plus, 5 plus 2, 7, minus 7 degree Celsius. In this question, there is one more question. Wednesday it rose means upward, 4 degree. Then what is the temperature? Then Wednesday temperature, Tuesday temperature plus 4 degree Celsius. Tuesday is minus 7. Minus 7 plus 4 equals to minus 3 degree Celsius. Question number 4. There is a plane flying at the height of 5,000 above the sea level, and there is a submarine. It is 1200 meter below the sea level. We have to calculate what is the vertical distance between flying plane and floating submarine. Height of plane is 5,000 meter. Depth is minus, because so we can see this is the number line of vertical. It is 0. The plane is here and the submarine is here. Means this is positive and this one be negative. Minus 1200 meter. Then we have to subtract 5000 minus 1200. Means minus minus plus. Then it will be 6200 meter. There is a question number 5. Mohan deposited 2000 and withdrawal 1642. It is given the deposited amount is of positive and withdrawal amount is negative. So we have to find the balance. Amount deposited 2000, amount withdrawn minus 1642. Balance equals to 2000 plus minus 1642 plus minus minus. Then the result will be 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 4, 5, and 9 minus 6, 3, 1, 1, cancel. Then rupees 358. Question number 6. Rita goes 20 km towards east from point A. A girl, she is in this point, goes 20 meter to east, and then from B point she goes 30 kilometer west. We have to represent her final position from A. We represent the distance traveled towards west by a negative integer, because it is positive, then it will be negative. Distance traveled on east 20 and on west minus 30. Then 20 plus minus 30 plus minus minus, then 20 minus 30, 30, it will be 10 and sign will be of minus, because 30 is greater than 20. Question number 7. This is a magic square. We have to check which of these is a magic square. What is a magic square? When we add diagonal, row, column, all these are equal. So we have to check. 5 minus 1 minus 4. Minus 4. So minus plus, then minus 5 and 5. Plus 5 minus 5 cancel 0. Minus 5 minus 2. 7 minus 7 and plus 7 0. 0. 3 and minus 3 0. Here plus 5 minus 5 cancel. Plus 2 minus 1 3. 3 cancel. It will also cancel. See the diagonal. 4 2. It is minus 6 and 0. It will be minus 6. So you can see all these are 0 but diagonal is minus 6. So 1 is not a magic square. See the second one. 10 minus 1 minus 9. 4 3 7 2 minus 9. It will be minus 9. Minus 9. Minus 9. Minus 9. It is 7 3. 10 minus 10 and plus 1. It will be minus 9. So in this we can see all the sums are minus 9. So 2 is a magic square. Question number 8. Verify LHS and RHS. First is A equals to 21, B equals to 18. LHS is given A minus minus B minus minus plus, then 21 minus minus plus 18. This will be 39. See what is RHS? A plus B, 21 plus 18. 21 plus 18 is 39. So LHS and RHS both are equal. 2 118A and B is 125. LHS equals to 118 minus minus plus and 125 plus 243. RHS equals to 118 plus 125. Then it will be 243. Both are equal. C part. A is 75, B is 84. 75 minus minus plus 84. It will be 159. And RHS is also 159. Both are equal. Question number 4 is also equal 39 and 39. So LHS and RHS are equal. See question number 9. We have to put the sign greater than, less than and equal to. A is minus 8 plus minus minus. Then 8 minus 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 plus. Then it will be minus 12 and this is minus 4. Which one is greater? Minus 4. B, it is, when we calculate it is minus 15 and in this it will be minus 2. Then minus 2 is greater. In negative, the smallest number is greater. C part, when we calculate it will be minus 7 and it will minus 29. Then minus 7 is greater. D part, when we calculate it is 0 and when we calculate RHS it is 20. Then 20 is greater than 0. E, while calculating it is minus 101 means 101 and it is minus 159. So 101 is greater because in negative sign the smallest number is greater. So this is the last question, question number 10. There is a monkey sitting on the topmost step. There are 9 steps. Question number 1. He jumps 3 steps down and then jumps 2 steps up. Then in how many steps it goes to the water level? So in first step comes 1, 2, 3 on 4. In second jump he goes back 1, 2, then second step पे आ जाएगा. थर्ड जंप पे 2, 1, 2, 3. फिफ्थ फोर्थ जंप पे फिर बैक 1, 2, देन थर्ड स्टेप पे. इसी तरह हम प्रोसेस करेंगे तो 11th जंप पे वो वाटर लेवल पर आएगा. Two number is after drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and 2 steps down. Then in first step goes 1, 2, 3, 4. In fifth step, फर्स्ट जंप पे कहाँ आया? फिफ्थ स्टेप पे. अब वो 2 जंप फिर पीछे आएगा. 1, 2 मीन्स 7th स्टेप. फिर 1, 2, 3, 4 थर्ड स्टेप. फिर 1, 2 फिफ्थ स्टेप. फिर 1, 2, 3, 4 मीन्स वो फिफ्थ स्टेप पे फर्स्ट स्टेप पर आएगा. थर्ड पार्ट, if the number of steps moves down is represented by negative and up in positive, so we have to calculate which part is negative and which part is positive. So we can make a table, jumps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Because in first question he takes 11 jumps. Then for down it is -3 and for up 2. -3 plus 2 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 and -3. से क्लियर है? डाउन में आएंगे तो माइनस का साइन और अप में जाएंगे तो हम प्लस का साइन यूज करेंगे. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 and 3. It will be 6 times, then it will be 18 and the sign will be minus. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Then minus 18 plus 10, it will be -8. For 2, jumps are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for upward we take plus and for downward we take minus. +4 -2 +4 -2 +4. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12. 2 plus 2 4 minus 4. 12 minus 4 8. Means in first 8 step downwards and in second 8 steps upward. So now we have completed exercise 1.1. Thank you for watching my videos. Like, share and subscribe Gyan Setu.